In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add TikTok link to Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off you need to copy the link to your TikTok profile. To do that, open up TikTok app, then go to your profile, hit add the three lines and select settings and privacy. Then hit add share profile, and that's where you can share your TikTok profile via lots of messengers, but there are no Snapchat. So just hit right here where it says copy link to copy the link to your profile to the clipboard, and then you can hop out TikTok app and open up Snapchat, and then just create a video just like that, and then you will be able to add a link to your video. To do that, just hit add that paperclip icon, and then hit add allow paste and select your link from suggested, and after that it will load up your TikTok profile. Just hit add attach to snap, and then it will add that kind of sticker over your snap. Then you can make it bigger or smaller. You can rotate it if you want. Also you can move it around to place it anywhere within the screen, and also you can hit add set duration to set the duration for that TikTok link sticker in that way. Then hit a check mark to apply changes, and that's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.